Operators SD50. Operators 5th edition. Service Department of Publications of the Electromotive Division. General Motors, Lejeune, Illinois 60525. Notice this purpose of the manual is to act as a guide of operation for the locomotive and its equipment. The information was compiled by the type in locomotive and basic equipment. Frequently requested extras. The equipment is selected and coverage was shown in representative intended indication of availability of one or use of particular unit or order. When special extras equipment is involved in specific drawings, instructions that are provided by the railroad. Information contained within the manual is based on the available when released of printing. Minor equipment differences are due to changes made after the manual was published. Later editions will cover the changes. General data: the SD50 model and designation locomotive type is CC06660. Locomotive horsepower 3,600 horsepower. Models: diesel model 64 645 F3B. Number of cylinders 16. Turbocharged. 954 RPMs. Full speed. Idle speeds 200 RPMs. Main generator AR11A 18 or D18. Special AR11A D14 main generators. Traction alternator AR11A. Rectified output maximum voltage DC 1,350 volts. Continuous current rating 7,020 amps, and companion alternator D18 basic, special D14 nominal AC voltage 8 through the D18 and D14 230. Auxiliary generator voltage DC 74, maximum power output 18 kilowatts. Supply is low oil system capacity basic oil pan 2,243 gallons, increased capacity 395 gallons. Cooling system capacity 276 gallons. Sand capacity total basic and special 56 cubic feet, 72 cubic feet. Fuel capacity basic 32,000 gallons. Special 4,000 gallons and 4,400 gallons. Retention tank 100 gallons reduces the fuel capacity by the same amount. General divisions of the 90A 1184. Major dimensions: height of the Ch Tocs. Overcooling fans 15 feet 7 inches and 7 and an eighth. Overhorn 15 foot 5 inches and a quarter. Width of overhaul handrail supports 10 foot 3 inches and an 18th of an inch. Length of overcoupling pulling force is 71 feet 2 inches. Approximately weight on the rails. Basic weight on the rails: basic 368,000 pounds. Typically equipped with 39,000 pounds. Weight drivers 100%. Traction motor D87 number 6 type of DC series. Wounded axle hung force air ventilated. Maximum locomotive speed in miles per hour based on the RPMs of the traction motor. At 70 to 17 gear ratio, you have 70 RPM at 40 wheels and 74 RPMs at 42 inch wheels. 69 to 18th of gear ratio, you have 76 to 80, 76 40 inches, 70 or 80 at 42 inches. Gear ratio 67 to 19, you have a wheel RPM of 82 to 42 inches at 86. A gear ratio of 66 to 20, it gives you a 40 inch 88 RPMs and 92 RPMs at 42 inch. Air compressor module WBO type of 2-stage, normal cylinders 3, displacement at 900 RPMs, 254 cubic feet, minimum compression coil, cooling engine coolant, lube oil capacity 10.5 gallons. Air compressor WBG gauge, type 2-stage, number of cylinders 6, capacity at 900 RPMs, 400 cubic feet a minute. Air compressor cooling engine coolant, lube oil capacity 18 gallons. Model WXO 2-stage, number of cylinders 3, different displacement at 900 RPMs, 254 cubic feet minimum. The air compressor cooling forced air, lube oil capacity 10.5 gallons. Air breaker is the type 26L. Storage battery number of cells 32. Voltage 64. Rating 8th hour. 420 amp hours. Minimum curve negotiation capability, single unit, 190 feet, radius 29 degree curve, two coupled units, 223 feet, radius 24-foot curve, coupled over 50 foot, coupled to a 50-foot box car, 37 feet, 379 feet, radius of 15 curve. Introduction, general, section 1, general introduction, locomotive, section 2, control indication devices, including the introduction of the cab equipment, the operator's control stand, the 26L air brake equipment system, braking equipment system, the miscellaneous controls, switches, control cabinet, engine control panel, circuit, brake panels, fuse switches, engine room equipment, engine starting controls, monitoring devices, safety devices, miscellaneous devices. Section 3, operation introduction, preparation for service, ground inspection, lead unit, cab inspection, starting the diesel engine, engine room inspection, engines inspection, engine starting, trailing unit, cab inspection, starting trailing unit, placing unit in using units on the line. Precautions before moving the locomotive, hand lighting the locomotive, draining air reserves, trainers, coupling locomotives together, coupling the units together with dynamic braking, coupling locomotives to train, pumping up air, brake pipe leakage test, starting a train, accelerating a train, air braking with the power, operating over the railroad crossings, running through water, wheel control systems, locomotive speed limit, max gear ratio, operation, dynamic braking, wheel slippage, control, operation and helper service, isolating a unit, changing the operation end, stop engines, freezing, weather precautions, towing locomotives in the train, leaving locomotives unintended. Chapter 4, section troubleshooting.